Now, if you did not do very well in your JAMB, if you scored low in your JAMB results, now that JAMB score is out, I've seen a lot of people crying, you know. Some people even want to harm themselves because they scored low in the JAMB. Of course, we know that this year, 75% of JAMBites scored below 200, over 400. 75% of JAMBites did not score very high. So if you are one of those that your JAMB score is not very high, you have the option to still gain admission this year, right? That is why I am doing this video for you, all of you in our YouTube channel. I want you to pay attention, pay rapt attention, and see if you can get the strategy that can give you your admission. First of all, forgive yourself. Don't kill yourself. Don't keep complaining. Don't keep crying. I mean, there's no point crying before a broken egg. If you are holding an egg and it falls and breaks, or if you are holding a bottle of oil, olive oil or so, and it falls down and breaks, I mean, even if you cry from now to next year, nothing will happen. You cannot change the situation. Say, let's look at the way forward. What is the way forward for those of you that really performed poorly in your JAMB result? I'm not happy that you did not perform very well, but let's find a way around it and see if there's something you can do to begin to do better as somebody that is hungry for admission. Number one decision you have to make is, are you going to proceed with seeking for admission, or are you going to wait for next year? Some people, maybe you are looking for nursing and you need to score at least 280, 290, 300 and above, and you find yourself scoring 185 or 200 or 210. You need to make a decision. Am I waiting till next year, or am I continuing to pursue my admission? Now, if you decide to continue pursuing your admission, the next thing for you to do is to start asking around, go online, make inquiry, don't fold your hand. Find out the cutoff mark of that institution you are looking for, the cutoff mark of that school you want to go for. Is it a school? Is it Uniben? Is it a private university? Whatever it is, Futo, Polytechnic, University, whatever school it is, find out the cutoff mark for that university. For instance, maybe you want to go for medicine and the cutoff mark is 330 or 350 or 360 or so, and you score 220. You already know that the possibility is very, very slim. Now, the next option, if you find out that even with your JAMB score, when you check the cutoff mark, that there's no way your cutoff mark reaches what they are looking for, the next option is to seek for change of course. You can decide to go to that particular university, but seek for a change of course. There are some people that do change of course, do the first year and find their way to revert back, if they perform very well, revert back to the original course they wanted to study, right? So what you need to do now could be to go for a change of course. Just explore that option. Ask people around you. Make inquiries. I'm just bringing it to your knowledge in case you don't know. There is this option for change of course, change of institution and all the rest. Make inquiries and see if this is what you would want to go for as you keep pursuing your admission. Now, if you want to know me to do more videos on change of course on your specific university, just tell me the course you wanted to study and the course you intend to switch over to and your JAMB score, so that we can see how we can help you right now. But that is if you're a member of our channel. To become a member of our channel, click on join to join our YouTube channel. Once you join, then like this video, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. After you like this video, then come under the comment, tell me the institution you wanted to go for, the course you wanted to pursue, and the score you got in your JAMB result, so that we can begin now to help you. There's a video on the screen, watch it immediately.